A spirits industry is forged from legacy. Produced by tradition and time-honored distillation, each bottle is sealed with a commitment to quality. Every barrel is a chapter. Every drop of liquor tells a story. And this is the story of Unlocked Group. A fictional producer inspired by global spirit giants. Proud, experienced, and with a lineage of craftsmanship revered across the globe. With 100 sites, Unlocked Group is a storied distillery much like your own. Where tradition isn't just preserved, it's the heartbeat of operations. But they're experiencing the pressures of change.
And innovation. Let's analyze Unlocked's transformation. A preview of what the future holds for premium spirit producers. Imagine every line, every run, optimized to its fullest potential. End-to-end production sustainability with more impact than sustainable packaging and green initiatives. Capacity for more flexible production, where new brands can be introduced to market in record time. And legacy infrastructure is digitally upgraded. Don't wait for the future to unlock profitable and sustainable growth. With LineView, harness the power of existing equipment, resources, and people. Improve water ratios, reduce energy and CO2 emissions with flexible capacity. Unlock end-to-end manufacturing sustainability and operational excellence with LineView.